Yes, sir. Could you tell me your name real quick and what you got?
No, I'm gonna do a video with him real quick. Okay. Tyler, we got 4 X8 V3s, Taramps Smart 3K. Got a Group 41 or Group 34, excuse me, from Sam's Club in the back. Cool. I got a Taramps 400 on 2 PRB Neo 6.5s. There's no tweeters, just a 6.5 in each door. 320 amp alternator, J's, and then just the front battery.
Nice. So what made you go with this smallest sub? Just curious.
I kind of got out of audio for like a year with my Tahoe, and I got this as a daily, and I just needed something as a daily driver. And for this cabin to not completely fall apart, I wanted it to be right at about 150 on tone, and it's about a 150, 151 outlaw. So.
Awesome. Okay. Sweet.
We got a whole lot of new money though. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. Robert. We got a whole lot of new money though. new money though. Your mentor don't just want to see.
Man, dude, yeah, dude. That's actually really impressive.
Yeah, dude, I had to put so much deadener in this truck because I did 3/8 and I had BFL 8s that I had sitting in my house forever.
Yeah.
And then I was like, that's not enough, so I did 3X8s and I was like, I need one more. Oh, shout out to Adam Romano.
Okay.
He always builds my boxes the last like 7-8 years. I get the Taramps dealer. He's the shit. You need a box built, Adam Romano is your man.
Yes, sir.
And you see, he built a beautiful box.
It looks really good. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That was impressive.
Yeah.
Awesome. Congrats on the 52. Right on it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.